tsokolate at saka with egg, dry fish at saka dilis. Ito ang ulam ni Kuya Buds, mga lods. Dried fish with eggs and chocolate. Wow, chocolate. Pure na kakao. O yun. Chocolate. Pure na kakao. Dry fish. Dilis. With eggs. Yan. Yan.